Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character with the mouth coming out of the head. It's going to be a little bit different, and it's going to be easy, simple, and for beginners. I'm going to be using this. This is regular computer paper, and I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. It's not a big deal. Also, you can actually just watch me. You don't have to, do it with me. But I do encourage you to do it with me because it's going to be very, 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 very simple, okay? And it's going to be step by step. So let us get started. Go draw a curved line here for the the what do you call it, the well, I guess it's an imposter really. The visor, curve down here, curve down here, curve underneath, curve here for the front of the forehead. We're going to draw a line from here down. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm posting almost every day. So to let you know when I post. The idea is when you subscribe, and you have to click the little bell icon. When you click that bell icon, it'll probably show you a little thumbnail somewhere on your page, and you'll be like, oh, okay, I'll go check that out. Or you'll be like, I don't want to see that right now. It depends. It'll kind of let you know through a thumbnail if you want to, if it's something that you want to draw that day. Curve down. Back here, curve straight down, basically. It's a straight line down from the back area. Curve underneath for one foot and the other foot. Pull up, in, up. So now you kind of have like the bottom feet right there, which to me look like marshmallows. They really, really look like marshmallows in my opinion. Gonna go over here, draw like a lip. Gonna curve to the top over here. Draw a lip over here. Curve line underneath here for like an open mouth. It's gonna be, and I'm gonna draw some teeth here. That's kind of basically like essentially just kind of simple triangles. Those are teeth. Curve line here. And we're gonna draw a line here for the tongue. To kind of show that kind of has like a texture to the tongue itself. Like Among Us is, like I said, is a really crazy. I don't know, it's like one of those it's one of those weirdly addictive games. Hopefully you kind of felt the same way. It's very, I don't know. There's something about it like a board game effect, but it's not a board game. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go halfway through the faceplate here, and I'm gonna go to the back, and I'm gonna draw a line. Bottom of the body, go back, draw a line. Excuse me, I'm a little bit tired. I just woke up. And I'm going to connect these two. And so that to me looks like a turtle shell, looks like a loaf of bread. It's kind of whatever you want it to be, essentially. So, and then there's a tongue. If you want, you can draw like little slobber lines. Not even a line, it's like droplets. Just do like 3. If anything beyond 3, it's going to be too much, in my opinion. But he's got a mouth sticking out the top of his head. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a thicker liner on the contour, and I always do that for drawings because I think it looks nice. And I don't do it for every drawing, but I do it for a lot of drawings, so I do kind of like doing that. Like I said, hopefully having a sweet day. Right here. Here. It could be a little bit thicker, honestly. These lines right here are kind of like, it's kind of up to you. You can make it a really crazy, crazy thick line, or you can, kind of make it like thinner, just kind of thicker than the rest of it. It's not really a big deal. Um, yeah, it's up to you. It's really up to you. I like to make the bottom lines thicker than average right here, like around the bottom of the figure, because it's kind of like a pseudo shadow in a way. A pseudo shadow. Yeah, just kind of chill. I might even thicken out some of the actual inner lines, but not too much. If you like the game, let me know what your favorite color character is to pick. I tend to choose blue, blue or green, but a lot of cool stuff. You think they'll ever make a movie of this, like a real movie, not just a not just a YouTube movie? I wonder if they're ever gonna make like a real legit movie of it, like kind of like Slender Man, where it's like way too late. They'll make it like way after. They never did that with Five Nights at Freddy, huh? They never made a movie of that. I mean, I know they made stuff that was similar to it, like that Nicolas Cage thing, but I don't think they ever made like a full-blown Friday Night at Freddy's. Friday Night at Freddy's, is that what it is? Yeah. I think I'm saying that correctly, right? Yeah, like movie. But until the Slender Man movie came out way too late. They should have like capitalized that immediately. That came out like what, 10 years after Slender Man was like really, really popular. But oh well. That's pretty much it. Like I said, if you like this kind of stuff, click the like button. Also, don't forget to check out the Among Us playlist. It's in the description. There's a lot of goodies in the description. Go check out the description right now. I have hour-long lessons on other stuff, like how to draw dinosaurs, how to draw well, those are like cute dinosaurs, and then how to draw what do you call it? My brain hurts. Dragons. That one's more realistic dragons. Perspective, anatomy, a lot of realistic anatomy. If you really want to get a handle on drawing, go to my Skillshare. The link is in the description, okay? Pretty much it. Talk to you later. I will see you soon. My name's Enrique. Say hi to me by name in the comment section, and I will say hi back. I'm very approachable. Talk to you later, okay?